Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to do a Tuscan White Bean Salad. Perfect for your summer barbecue or your little poolside gathering. Great summer lunch, put a little something with it or just let it go like it is. Pretty simple. We've got a couple cans of some cannellini beans I've just drained out and rinsed off. We've got a little arugula, some thyme, a little oregano, got some tomatoes, a little red onion and some fennel. So let's just go ahead and get started. Like I said, pretty simple. We've just got our beans already drained out. We're just going to plop them right in there. We've got some tomatoes. We're going to slice these up. These one at a time. We'll put our little tomatoes in there, or I'm going to show you a little cheater shortcut where you do a few at once. You know, about as many as you can put on your little plate. You can use your hands if you want, but I kind of like the plate method. And all you're going to do is just run your knife right across. Look at that. Every one of them cut. Good to go. And we got a little red onion, and I'm just going to, you can slice this or dice it or do a little julienne. I think I'm just going to do a little short julienne with this. And again, to show you how I do this, take your onion, and we're just going to cut it in half. Just cut it in half one way, and then the other way, we're just going to follow the radial along the onion, so your knife's going to go this way. So, get about halfway up, flip it back down, and do the other half. And then the fennel, we're just going to take a little piece of that as well. And we'll cut that little core out. And then for this, just so it matches the onion, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to cut it in half and just do a little quick julienne of that. And this gives it a nice little crunch and a little sweetness. Like I said, real simple on this. And then we've got a little bit of some oregano. And we're just going to pull these off. And we're going to do the same thing with the thyme. And you don't need a ton, but we want a nice little fresh herb feel with this to give that freshness. And like I said, just going to give a couple nice little sprigs here. And just give that a little coarse chop. Any other herbs you like, if you've got some fresh tarragon or basil in your garden, throw that in. If you don't own this one, make it yours. And then from here, what we're going to do, we're just going to put a little olive oil. And we're just going to dress it right in the bowl like this. So a couple tablespoons in there, just enough to coat it. And then we've got a little white balsamic vinegar. You could use any other vinegars you want, but I'd like the white balsamic because it doesn't change gives you that nice flavor without changing the colors on there. A little salt and pepper. And then we're just going to give that a little toss. Look at that, beautiful colors on that. And then once you get it tossed, we're going to add in a little bit of arugula in there too. Balance that out, give it a nice little fullness. And there we're good to go. All right. You got a little Asiago or any other cheese that's floating you, a little manchego. That is a beautiful poolside treat. Again, Tuscan White Bean Salad, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, let us know what you think, and enjoy.